Hello student, in this video we will do the example of list view. So in this part we have simply display a text view and a list. So when user will select any item, the result will be displayed in the text view. Suppose we have selected fourth value, so that value is simply position equal to 4, data equal to 4. So if user select sixth value, the value of that result is displayed in the text view. So that is the design part. So the layout, we have used the linear layout. So the first part is your text view, that is the by default value will display in the text view, and the second widget we have used the text list view. So we have given the id my underscore list, width, height, and that is the ending of the linear layout. So I'm coming on next part is your java file. So these are the different class we have to import. So the first one, we have declared the variable of text view. Next variable we have take the list view, and we have take a array of item, that is the value of your data 0 to data 7 in the item variable. So that is your array. So the next one is the on create set content view. Now next we have simply set list view by the same statement find view by id. So find view by id r dot id my underscore list view. So that are the binding of your list view. Next important part is your array adapter. We have simply declare the variable adapter, new array adapter, that is the context, that is your a simple list item 1, and third one is the items. So now we will simply set the adapter. So that is the statement list view के लिए we are correspondence use the variable my list view. तो my list view dot set adapter, and the adapter variable you have used adapter. तो my list view dot set adapter. तो by this statement your list view में we have used my list view, तो उसके correspondence the adapter is set. Now the next statement is the message view, because we will set the message. तो text view find view id r dot text id. Now according to when user will click on the any list of item, according to the value will be displayed in the text view. So that part for the list view we have used the function name set on item click listener. So when user will click any one of the item in the list view, the correspondence, that is the listener function on item click, it take 4 argument array adapter view position and id. So we are take a variable text position equal to position and data equal to item position. So its correspondence, that value will be obtained in the variable text. The which item will be selected by the user, correspondence, that value will be stored in the text, and we have simply set the value of the text view by the statement set text message dot set text, and that text value will be set. So that is the coding of your java file. So that is the execution of correspondence your output. So when user will select any item, correspondence that item will be displayed.